I've got it on
before you're
Shadow and
recording,
I'm
you click
combat,
settings,
and I had it in
Let's go.
subtlety,
you
so...
go to
Yeah, your
broadcast
combat, I'm
settings.
assassination.
Now,
I
as
ain't
you
got
can see, there's a
anything
few
like
But
that.
options
I
here.
had it in
You want your
subtlety as
mode
well.
to be clicked to file output only. It defaults at live
Ah,
stream, and
found
it'll give
it.
you all this Twitch TV information, all these things that you can enter. Make sure you go to file output only. And then it'll ask you
Yeah, I
for a
found
file
it.
path, so you find a place
I
where you
think
want
that
to save
hits
it,
Well, that's
and
shit.
you give it a
everybody.
name. So let's see.
Well, that-
Files,
And I
Shit.
just a fairly bit of
OBS
damage, fair
test,
bit of damage.
save, and then it's going to ask you to type in a name. Tutorial video.
Dude, pull
Now, if I were to
everything.
click
I
save,
wanna try something nicer. Go in the other room and pull a ball.
And you missed one.
On the unstealth.
Right, so seeing as I detest Facebook, which one of you is going to run the Facebook page?
Oh wow, that AoE. I actually did more than he is, DPS wise, but he did more damage. Wow. Oh, pull him out here.
Okay, never
I
mind that.
know Lewis is gonna manage it because I hate Facebook as well.
I can't stand it, mate.
I'm never on it, so...
I'm always on it. That's my problem.
Okay, you run it.
Run what?
Facebook channel.
Oh, them party poppers are fine, man.
How about I get Pumsy and Ariane to run the Facebook page?
Sounds like a plan.
I agree.
I'm alright with that.
Alright, I was thinking about making some sort of introduction video.
Yeah, I was thinking that as well. I've also got a really cool idea for the intro text. When the intro text comes in and says,
Dude.
it says Frostwolf, I want it to come up in blue, but I then want it to freeze around the edges.
So basically like that thing I just sent Ian then.
Yeah, which mail did you send it to? Because you didn't send it to the official channel.
Did I send it to the official channel's email?
I didn't get it.
Oh, definitely sent it.
It's a banner.
But you know for a fine fact our intro song should be Master of Puppets.
No, I was
Actually, our
actually
intro song is
considering
gonna
that.
be Mjestland.
By the way, I've checked out your video. Why does it say 15 gigs and CRF on your description?
Yeah, I saw that as well. I was wondering the same thing.
That was just so you could see if there were any quality differences. Because the first video, the Hellfire Rampant video, is a little higher quality,
Oh, okay.
but it
Wow,
it
my
also
DPS is just skyrocketing.
So what song were you thinking, Lewis?
No, I was thinking the intro to Master of Puppets as well.
Yeah.
Because it's
Awesome.
only got to be for a couple of seconds. I mean, like 5 to 8 seconds to the most, like going through the titling. And
I
then
was
swapping to like a soundtrack or something.
It is
I
the
was
best
thinking,
musical intro.
I was thinking, ain't no rest for the wicked.
You have heard Master of Puppets, right?
I think what's it called?
yeah, I want that one.
Live and let die.
Oh my god, no.
Living and dying.
Oh, what's wrong with that? Wow, me and Ian just did a combined 10k DPS with each other.
What?
We did a
Must be
combined
nice having
10k
some
DPS.
AoE that actually works.
Oh, just did 3k DPS! OP! Now look, Ian, check this out. Oh, woo, 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 woo. OP DPS.
What?
No, we did 10k between each other.
Awesome.
I just linked in chat. Get OP. Well, 11k even.
Easy.
Easy, GG. Oh well, now I just feel like scoring fun and life all the way to max level.
About level 8, it gets really shit.
It doesn't, because it spreads the dark.
Oh,
Just
I
as
remember back
it
in
gets bad.
back when it was totally broken. That was good times. Rogues were just doing 10 times more DPS than anyone else.
Still do. So basically,
So basically playing my DK.
I'm just gonna try and find some soft music to put on to give an idea of how it's probably gonna be in our videos.
but Master of Puppets has by far got the best musical intro out of any song. Just
Album? Can't do shit about Ian, it's a tank. Low level tanks are just OP. OP! I think they can take like half the health off you with one hit half the time. But that don't take away from Ian's awesome tanking skills. Like Uber skills.
Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And
where have I getting this from? Rallying Cry of the Dragon Slayer.
There's someone killed in the fire.
Oh.
was over my head.
Oh wow, that is so fucking OP. Dude, it's like Blood Boil. Seriously.
And
A Blood Boil for fucking DKs at low level.
will
Well,
stumble
OP.
and fall.
Ian,
Yep.
I'm still
Yep.
learning to love.
the intro that I was thinking of, it's only for a small section of it, which is just at the very beginning.
Yeah,
This one.
I'm giving up on you.
No,
Wow,
that's
that's
some
awesome.
shit.
No.
How dare you?
Nope.
Yeah,
wait.
No, 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 no.
Yeah, I agree with Ian. A
Right, so
lot of
it's-
people, a lot of people
It should-
like
it
that
should-
music.
it
There's
should-
a lot of people who don't like that
It should be
music.
some sort of it definitely should be very much softer. And I'm
Softer.
guessing electronic.
A horde clan called the Frostwolves, and you want it to be soft.
Yes.
I want it to the music
Makes
to be
no
so clear.
sense.
It makes complete sense.
Oh, Elite Toy Chieftain soft music, yeah.
Which run are we doing? I'm just gonna put you leader, fucking do it.
Why?
Because I don't know what to do. There you go, he got leader. Be mad.
Anywhere I would have followed you.
Go? Why are you not 64 yet? Okay.
Don't know.
Say something, I'm giving
How close
Sick
are
of
you?
shit. How the fuck am I outleveling you so much?
Don't know.
Because I'm questing. I'm waiting for you.
Go, how close are you?
Boom. 65.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5 bars.
you're the one
Tier and sign us up.
saying good.
You've got leader.
No, I don't.
Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that.
Say something, I'm giving
You kicked it.
Dude, I'm not even reading it.
Lol.
What one invite's just right underneath him? What move for? I'm gonna have a Lewis do it.
I don't want to see.
Lewis is the leader of the guild. He deserves to do this stuff.
So I'm gonna need either a program that can turn MP4 into some other format that Windows Movie Maker can use, or I'm gonna need some other shit.
I think you can actually upload MP4 to Movie Maker and then convert it.
Nope.
You can.
You can't.
No, you can.
I thought you could. You just select the compression type.